All right, so I discovered this isn't the original motor in the truck. Company called, and I'm thinking this is how you say it, Reviva. According to Ryan, that's how you say it, so we're going with that. Anyways, found a serial number on the motor. Turns out it's a Minneapolis-based company. Shocker. Motor went to Texas, truck came back to Texas, is now in Minneapolis again. Called the company, awesome guys to talk to. Long story short, this motor was replaced in 2012. And based on the Carfax reports I got, because there's a great service record on this truck, the truck had about 178, 180,000 miles on it at the time. So we have a pretty new motor in this truck, which is a nice surprise. So remanufactured engine in the Lone Star, probably 100,000 on it maybe at best. Pretty excited about that as well. So previous owner had a tranny done on it, and we got a pretty new motor in this truck. Extra bonus.